Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be unboxing the new Tecno MegaPad. Now I didn't know that Tecno actually had a tablet until I went to the market to actually get another tablet. Then I saw that Tecno has a new brand of a tablet, and the features are amazing. Now let's unbox it together. Now this Tecno MegaPad, you can see it written here, Tecno MegaPad SE. Now this Tecno MegaPad actually came in three forms. You have the Tecno MegaPad SE, the one of 4 gig 128 gig, that is 4 gig RAM 128 gig ROM. Then we have the one of also 8 gig RAM 256 gig ROM, which is this one. So which is also Tecno MegaPad SE, that is 8 gig of RAM and 256 gig of ROM. Then we now have the last one, which is Tecno MegaPad Pro. That one is also 8 gig of RAM, 256 gig of ROM. So what actually made this SE different from the Pro is that this SE is 11 inches, while the Pro is 12 inches, and this SE has a battery capacity of 8000 mAh, while the Pro has a battery capacity of 10,000 mAh. So let's look at the screen. Let's check what is on the pack, on the box. So you have Tecno MegaPad SE, as I've said. So it has a Tecno AI, then Dubai Atoms, that is the sound. It has a Dubai sound. That is a very good thing. It has a Dubai sound. Then it is powered by Snapdragon. The chipset powering it is Snapdragon. Then let's look at this upper part here. You can see that the ROM is 256 gig. Then the RAM is 8 gig plus a virtual RAM of another 8 gig, making it 16 gig. So you have a physical RAM of 8 gig that is there. Then you now have an extra virtual RAM of 8 gig, making it a 16 gig RAM of a phone and 256 gig ROM. So making it a I'm sure that this combination will make this phone very good to use, very good to use. So we have a 256 gig of ROM, then 16 gig of RAM, that is 8 gig of physical RAM, 8 gig of virtual RAM, making it 16 gig. Now let's unbox this phone together. So unboxing it. Wow. Now also at this front part, so you can see Tecno MegaPad SE. Then we can see the the 11 inches FHD, that is 11 inches full eye display. 11 inches full eye display. It has an eye care, that is whenever you are using it, you can actually put the pictures of the eye care. Then it has a comprehensive AI experience. Yes, you have a comprehensive AI experience, a very full comprehensive AI experience. Then it has a 7mm ultra slim, that is the thickness is 7 millimeter, the thickness. Then the battery, as I've said earlier, the battery is 8000 mAh. It is boldly written there, 8000 mAh. But the Mega Pro, the Tecno Mega Pro, is 10,000 mAh, but with a more bigger screen. So that is the difference between the Pro and the SE. Now it has a seamless collaboration with across Tecno ecosystem. Yes, across all Tecno ecosystem. Then it came with octa-core Qualcomm chipset, that is an 8-core Qualcomm chipset. The chipset is octa-core Qualcomm chipset. Then it is powered by Snapdragon. So let's unbox it together. Let's see what it's there. So at the back we have the different at the back you can also see the features there. It comes with 11 inches Full HD eye care, a 7mm thickness, 8000 mAh comprehensive AI system, then octa-core. Can zoom it in, octa-core. Then that's all this. Okay, so let's unbox the waveform. Let's unbox. So wow, it came also with MTN card, I think, for data. It came with this MTN card for data. Then let's see what is in the carton. So it comes with a charger. It came with a charger. Then it does not come with an earpiece. I can't find an earpiece. Then it comes with this SIM remover, but it does not come with an earpiece. Then this is a manual. So this is the charger. Came with charger, but there is no earpiece here, so it does not come with earpiece. It does not come with earpiece. Okay, then let's unbox the case as well.
Okay, fine.
Let's unbox the. It comes with a pouch and a keyboard. Now, at the point of buying this at Tecno office, I was told that it is not every of this one that comes with the pouch and case. That some came with only a detachable keyboard and a mouse, but mine came with a pouch and a keyboard. Let's see what it is. Let's see what is there. Okay, let's see what is there. Let's see what we have here. Wow, wow, wow. So this is the pouch. It came with a keyboard and a case, a keyboard and the case. Wow. So the phone can be put this way, so we can have this like this. We can have this like this.